Do they have to get shot in every music video? Some of my most requested songs and one of the most requested groups on my channel is actually B.A.P. And I didn't think that that would be the case because for a long time Big Bang and 21 and Shiny were what I was getting the most requests for. But as I've done this channel more and more, a lot of people love B.A.P. and they want to share B.A.P. with me. So I've been watching them, I've been loving everything that I've seen from them, and I feel like I never know what I'm gonna get with them. Especially in terms of the music videos. I feel like it's always a surprise, it's always like an interesting concept, or it's like it's a long concept. Like some of their videos are you know, I get invested in the storyline. So something that was really requested was rain sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch it. Here we go. That's really cool. Oh, these were some eyeliner days. This is gonna be dramatic. Was that an IV? You broke it. It's gone. Oh, he's coming in with the deep voice too. Holy cow. Green is the theme. When you break these things, you're destroying them. I love this chorus. That's a floor-length trench. Oh! Oh, that's cool. Do they have to get shot in every music video? They are sending a message here, and I'm trying. That's really cool. Rain sound. Wow. All right. Whoa, they were giving me some feelings here. So it was definitely a slow, serious song with some serious feelings in it. Like I've said before, I don't read lyrics until afterwards because I want to just focus on the video and the song. So if I'm just basing this off of what I've seen and the overall feel of the song, I automatically, well, okay, there's a lot of destruction in this video. They've broken things, they're setting things on fire, things are exploding, so there's like a lot of destruction here. And then they got shot, or I mean it looks like they got shot. But there's also a lot of green in here, which to me, green, I don't know if this, actually, this is kind of an interesting thought. I don't know if green representing like envy, does that span countries and cultures, or is that just a Western thing? I don't actually know. But anyways, to me, green represents like jealousy or envy. And there's a lot of green in here, but then there's also like red, which to me it looks like blood, but like I guess red also can symbolize like love. So is that what the song is about? Like you've destroyed a relationship because you're like envious or something like that? Am I reading too far into this? Probably. But I mean, at the very least, I loved the song. I think that it showed off their vocals really well. I love a good slow jam, and that was definitely a slow jam. So thank you to the people who suggested this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.